Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you my last order that I placed with Close to My Heart. And sorry, my head is cut off. I woke up a little bit ago. I have no makeup on, my hair's not done. And I just threw on this because it kind of matched this kit and hides my ugly white t-shirt I'm wearing. So, sorry, you can't see my face. Maybe on another video when I actually do something with that, then it'll be on camera. So I just thought it'd be fun to show you what's in these kits, show you what I got. This is the new Summer Vibes collection, and I'm in love with it. I love the colors, very fun, very summery. I got the scrapbooking kit and I got the card making kit. So I'm going to show you what comes in each of these in case you are thinking about it or you're on the fence. Close to My Heart does a really, really good job with making an all-inclusive kit. So think of this like an all-inclusive vacation. You get everything with your vacation, right? When you get all-inclusive, you book your air, your hotel, you have all your food and drinks are included. You don't really have to get anything extra. But maybe when you're there, you forget your snorkel and your mask, so you have to pay for that. So I'm just saying. But this kit, the only thing it does not include are the ink pads. Everything else is included. So let me show you what you're going to get. Besides the wonderful color detailed instructions, which will show you how to make the cards, it shows you how to cut your paper with these cutting guides, which is awesome because it maximizes the use of your paper. If you're not sure how to make cards or how to cut your paper, this kit is for you because you don't have to think about it. You have to think about it, but you don't have to measure. You could just, okay, this says to cut it at 1.5 by 5 inches, and you do it. I will say this, another thing you do need to have is something to cut out the thin cuts, which are these right here. So you do need to have a Big Shot or a Cuddle Bug. This is assuming that you already have those elements and you can just roll right into making your cards. So the cool thing about their card kits, they do come with the stamp set and they come with the thin cuts. So these are them. This is what you're going to get. And the price point on this is amazing. It is $29.95. I say that and it's probably $24.95. I thought I knew. I think it's maybe $29.95. So here's the stamp set, cute ice cream stamp set, and then the cute little thin cuts that are gonna cut out these images after you've colored them, and it has like a, it'll have a perfect cut. So you're gonna have some professional looking cards. It comes with envelopes and your card bases. So you don't have to think about that part of it. That's easy. That's done. And the card bases are pre-scored. I don't know if you can see that. So you get 16 of them. You're making 16 cards, 4 of each design. Those are already cut, ready to go. And as we all know as card makers, if you don't have those ready, you can spend a lot of time prepping that stuff. Next are these acrylic shapes. They're acrylic hearts. They're so cute. They're different. There's some that are hollow, some that are filled, and then there's some that are like kind of different shapes. And I'm just gonna hold up a couple because I don't know how well you can see that. So there's some that are hollow, some big ones, and they're just like a light plastic acrylic. This one has, oh that's cute, it's got 2 hearts on it. It looks like you could punch out that one little tiny heart, which I'll probably do. And then you've got some teeny tiny ones. These are great for cards, for embellishments. I will say this, if you put a couple of these on your card and it makes your package a little thicker, you may have to put an extra stamp on your card. There's a teeny tiny one. So those are really fun. Those are really cute. Those will look cute on a card or a scrapbook page. And then with this kit, you also do get the pattern paper and the card stock. So we got this design. And this is on the back, and it looks like you get 2 sheets of that, 3 sheets, sorry, 3 sheets of that. And then there is 2 sheets of the white cardstock, 1 sheet of this smoothie colored paper, 1 sheet of this, I think this is nectarine cardstock, and then this light pink one, which I think is, not sure on this light pink one, but that's pretty. So plenty of stuff. This is all calculated out to be just enough that you would need to make these 16 cards. Okay, so that's the card making kit. And here is the scrapbooking kit. And this is great for beginners that are scrapbooking and you're not sure, again, what to scrapbook. This time I'm just going to pull everything, most of it out. So, again, it comes with instructions that are clear and pictures that show you how to cut the paper. Be sure to take note of the direction of the paper. If there are vertical lines on the paper, you want to know, do you want them horizontal or do you want them vertical before you cut your paper? And then it has the detailed instructions on how to put your layouts together. So wonderful that they include this in the kit. That's part of the cost of the kit. Great price point. These are just placeholders that you can make your pages, put the placeholders on, and add your pictures later. That's kind of what that's for. And I'm going to grab the catalog because it's bothering me. This is the new catalog, July, August. They have the awesome Happiest Place on Earth paper kit that you can scrap all your Disneyland or Universal photos on there. It's called Happiest Place. So kits, card kits, because every time they come out with a new catalog, they come out with a new card, 2 new card kits, different designs, and then a couple of scrapbooking kits. So the scrapbooking workshop kit, this one I'm showing you right now, is $34.95. And then the card kit is, sorry, I just wanted to have it, here it is. It is $29.95, and that's with a 10% discount, but buying it as a bundle. So $29.95, I was right. So the scrapbooking one, $34.95. Okay. So in this, you also get more acrylic shapes, and these are cute. These are really fun. I'll just show you a couple. So you've got cute little flamingo, a sun. This says summer. They put it in 2 pieces because it was probably kind of long and they didn't want it to break anyway. So we've got love. There's cute sunglasses, palm tree. And if you feel like making a card with some of your extra scraps, you can throw one of these on the card because it's kind of cute that they made the other kit with hearts, but this one has the pool and the beach theme, and this popsicle matches the ice cream set. So you could just pull that out and use it for that. Or if you love them, you could buy an extra kit, an extra set of them. So I did buy an extra set because I knew I'd want to make some extra cards after this, because you will have some extra pieces when you're done with the scrapbooking kit. And that's what I love about their kits. The card making one, you don't have a lot extra, but the scrapbook one, you will have a couple of extra pieces. Probably a sheet of paper and some stickers left over. So here's the sticker sheet. It comes with this paper, which is a little bit different than the ice cream paper, although it looks similar. And the back design I love. So you've got 2 sheets of that. 2 sheets of this paper that's similar, but it is different because it has leaves on the back. So you've got those two sheets. And then, these pretty sheets. Oh, I love this paper. And like a gingham pattern for Looks like very summery, like a tablecloth, right? Super cute. Those two. Sheet of black cardstock. Sheet of this orange, which I think is nectarine, I think. And then you have some white that could be, I think these are for the backgrounds, and maybe one to stamp on. I'm not sure what, I didn't look exactly at all the directions, but these could just be for the bases, and you've got 5 of these. So maybe one is for stamping, I'm not sure. This is fun. You pop all these out, ton of little hearts. It's gonna be really cute, and shapes for a layout. And then you have, looks like maybe summer. There might be another half to that word. Yep, looks like it. More punch outs, or die cuts, we call them, right? That's going to be really cute. And there's some more to finish the word summer. Oops, that happens most sometimes. All apart. It's okay. And these are real cute. It has a lot of flip flops on there. And I got to be really careful because I'm losing pieces and I don't want them to go away. So I'll throw those on top. And then another sheet of printed pattern paper. That's it. So there's your summer kit. Summer Vibes Workshop, Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. Okay. The hard part is getting it back into the bag. There we go. Alright. And then I have a couple of other things that I ordered on this order. As an extra, I love this paper, and I found that when I do buy a kit, I want just a little bit more to make cards, or a couple more layouts that it didn't quite finish. So I always usually buy the add-on Summer Vibes, or a paper packet that comes with a sticker sheet. So I won't show you this because you've already seen the paper. Let's tell you what it comes with. And it comes with 2 sheets each of 1, 2, 3 designs. Okay, so 6 sheets of design paper, similar to basically the same designs that I just showed you on the other one, with the leaves, the blue water, the stripes, and the cute little pictures there, and the gingham, and 1 sheet of stickers. So I just find that I want a little bit extra to make a few more things. So I got that. And then of course I had to get coordinating cardstock because I like to do mats under my pictures. I want to make sure I have enough. This does come with some white, which is great because you could always use white. So I got that. It's the Summer Vibes coordinating cardstock. And I didn't give you any item numbers, sorry. So this cardstock is X7258C. If you just want this paper pack with the sticker sheet, that is X7258S. The Scrapbooking Workshop Kit is G1207NP, as in Nancy Paul. Alright, and then the card one is G1209. That's the card making one. These extra acrylic shapes, just the shapes, is X7258E. And then a few more things I got. This embossing folder, because it was really cute. It's like a, it's called Celebrate Z3624. This one is really cute. Cute for cards, cute for a scrapbook too. It's got party, hip hop, confetti, hooray, fun times, sweet, celebrate, surprise, treats, special day, yay, cheers, and best day ever. So that would be really cute, just to emboss the extra layer on your cards or put it on your scrapbook. Actually, I don't need this package, so let me see that. I got this stamp set, No Matter, so stay tuned. I'll try to make a video for my gnome cards. And the stamp of the month for July. So if you spend $50 or more, you can get this stamp set for $5. And I just love the flowers, and I can't wait to color that with my watercolor paints. Alright, that's it for my order review. Thanks guys. See you later.